Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by accessing your voicemail right away. Make sure your Xfinity voice service is active and you know the main phone number. Once ready, call your voicemail number or press the voicemail key on your handset and listen for prompts. When prompted for a password, use the default or temporary code provided in your account email. Then create a secure 4 to 6-digit PIN so you can retrieve messages securely in future. Next, record your greeting and secure your mailbox. Follow prompts to record a concise greeting, state your name, and a brief instruction, then save it. Make sure to change the temporary password to a permanent PIN and enable message-to-text or email alerts if you want notifications. Also, open the Xfinity Voice app or the online portal to toggle visual voicemail and storage options so messages display on your phone and keep for the desired duration. Finish by testing and verifying everything works smoothly. Call your number from a different phone, leave a message, then check playback via the handset and the app to confirm delivery and audio quality. If you don't get messages, reboot your modem or phone, re-register your voice device in the portal, and double-check Do Not Disturb or call forwarding settings. If still blocked, reset the voicemail PIN and try again. Contacting Xfinity support is the last step if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.